Today we're going to look at Mondeo headlight. Instrument display inspection adaptive headlight. Read fault code. The DRL not working. In some cases, there are only 2 or 3 lights working. Only daytime running lights or headlight can work. They can work at the same time. We need to replace the DRL. Put the headlight in the oven. Separate headlight lens cover. This is the DRL strip. This is original not working one. This is our DRL product. Cheaper on the market. The cheaper one is much worse quality than ours. Change the lot DRL. Put heat glue on it. Working well. Not have issue code. Turn signals and DRL working well.